it's doing pretty good. More voltage I can get to it, the better.
Yes, sir. Oh wow, nice. You got
X12s.
X12. Did you build the box?
Actually, Josh did.
Josh, okay. On an SFB. How's the amp doing for you?
It's doing pretty good. The more voltage I can get to it, the better.
Yes, sir. What is it wired to?
1 ohm.
All right. Spec-wise, do you know specs, tuning or anything?
The port is supposed to be tuned to around 32 hertz.
Okay.
On the meter, the core peaks typically around 43, 44 hertz.
Okay.
I like being up a little higher.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I love a demo, man. Do you have any extra batteries?
Yes, I got a North Star AGM 220 and a spare tire well.
Oh, that's a good idea. Underneath?
Yeah, and
okay.
I got a Brand X 320 amp alternator.
Okay. I'll go check that out real quick and then get a demo. Awesome.
A little tough to see us.
It's down there. I see it. Yes, sir. I always like to see everything. Awesome. You're on base Outlaws SC,
Yep.
South Carolina. All right. Demo time. I'll shut this.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Andy.
Andy. Okay.
I'm still running the factory Sony radio.
So it works good with it?
Yeah, once I got a audio control line driver, and then I got a JFA electronics digital sound processor.
Okay. Good little hatchback build. I like it. And you got your back seats with no issues with that battery back there?
Nope.
Yeah, that's what I was curious of, is how you fit all of that. That's a good idea. Really optimized your space.
If I get a flat, I'm kind of inside me over.
Yeah. I've seen people store them behind the seat, but it depends on the person.
Yeah.
That's like 47, 48 hertz or something.
That was 43 hertz.
43, wow.
43.
Is that around your peak?
Yeah.
That's a really good demo song. Awesome. Yeah. Cool. Are you good, man? Thank you for the demo, man. I appreciate it, man. That was great.
Like I said, I could play stuff goes lower, but it just kind of...
It doesn't like it as much.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you, too.
Whew. Oh, right. going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.